We got a license plate frame right here. I'm gonna put it onto our Cybertruck right here. What do you guys think? Should we do it, Tony?
Not right there. I have this.
Oh, you have the new CyberBandit.
Yeah.
Oh, this is sweet. This one right here, we can just put our license plate on it. It says 4 bolts, and once you put it on, you can open this like this, and it will lock in place, just like this. Slide it in, lock it. The cool thing is, you can take it off when you don't want to have your license plate, and you can even put it on the side like this. It's sweet. Let's install it right now. By the way, we got the Authentic Vibe tote bag right here. Let me know if you guys want one of these. And of course, the CyberBandit is for sale already. This is pretty sweet. Tony's got the bolts. It comes included with the bolts. Look at the quality of the material. It's nice and thick. And oh, I didn't notice until now. This is hex design with the Cybertruck elements all over. Everything is straight, and even the cut right here. Ooh, it even says right here, 1975 creations.
That's my main website. Also, quickbandit.com.
Oh, quickbandit.com, the CyberBandit, and the official patent. Because this is legit. A lot of people make these quick license plates all over. You can find them everywhere on the web, but they're not the same quality as the original one, made of really high quality parts. And you got the original patent right here with lifetime warranty.
Yes, lifetime warranty.
And these are handmade?
Handmade personally by myself.
In the United States?
Here in California.
There we go. This is sweet. Look at the quality of the thickness of this thing. We got the screws right here. These are self-tapping screws. We have our license plate. Boom. Screw number 1. Screw number 2. And here we go. Tony helped out. Pre-attached the screws. Number 3. And number 4. And that's it. The Quick Bandit, aka the CyberBandit for the Cybertruck edition, is ready to go. You just go ahead and put it on like this and push in right here. There's a little plastic here. Push that and it locks in place, and that's it. It's not gonna go anywhere. You can drive, and you never need to worry about this ever falling off because it kind of locks in place. And when you're done and you want to take it off, this little thing right here, pull it, and it comes off just like that. Now, Tony, what if I want to be even more secure? I just don't want anyone to just come in and take my license plate. Is there a locking mechanism?
Yes, there's a tamper resistant locking screw right here that goes on the side, and you just lock it in place, and it also includes a tool as well.
Oh, it's a very special one that is not even an Allen wrench, because I see there's a centerpiece right there, right? So you put it in once you lock it, right?
Yeah, you lock it in place and then you tighten it down, and that's it.
You can hand tighten this.
Yeah, you can hand tighten it.
The idea is that when you put it in right here, that little screw right here is a little bit hard to get to, but you can use a special tool that comes with the CyberBandit to lock it in place, and that way, when people want to take your plate, it's very difficult. They can struggle with all that. I mean, ultimately, if they really want to take your plate, they can take these 4 screws, but who's gonna do that, right? So there we go. The Quick Bandit for the Cybertruck, and this one is the CyberBandit. Put it on anywhere. Doesn't even need to be a center. You can be on the side, stylized like that. Let me know in the comments down below. Yay or nay for the CyberBandit right here.